Hello everybody, welcome back to Life in New Hampshire. Welcome to another cleaning video. Trying to give you some motivation to get some stuff done. This is my office slash loft where the guinea keats were, and it's disgusting. It's an absolute disaster. Who knew they could be so messy? There are little baby feathers everywhere. The dust that they created was just unbelievable. As you can see, I had a hard time picking that up. I don't have any strength. I'm very sore. But stuff's got to get done. I'm going to wash these and save them just in case I do it again. I'm not sure. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Woden is my sidekick. He's usually in whatever room I'm in, which I think is great. That's just how I like it. This is just a dog crate. I had two of them attached so that they had more room. But I put the guineas outside before I put the last 4 chicks out, so I had put one of the crates away. It took me quite a few days to get this done. And as you can see, it can get quite hot in the loft, even though the weather has just been horrible outside. This electrical cord was so stiff, I ended up giving up and I threw it downstairs and had to roll it up later. I get frustrated very easily when I don't feel good. And I made a mess of my vacuum. I should not have vacuumed all this stuff up, but I was in such a rush to get it up because Woden was just trying to eat everything. I didn't know if he was eating poop or just the chicken food. And there's so much hair on my beater bar. It's mostly my hair. This is a Shark rotator vacuum. I really like it. I've had it for quite a few years. But because of me vacuuming all that crap, it got plugged and I couldn't get it unplugged right away. See, there he goes again, looking for stuff to eat. He's not even a baby. Ugh, this was wicked frustrating. Just want to get things done and stuff like that happens. feel like putting all my yarn and stuff away. I'm not crocheting right now, and probably won't through the summer. I shouldn't have bought so much yarn. Now I have to store it. I forgot I had an eBay package that I had to get packaged up and ready to get mailed. And I'm hot again. I had to stop vacuuming that day because the filter was plugged solid with that fine dust from the chicks. So I had to wash it and let it dry. I wish I had a better way for all these cords. So many cords, electrical cords, internet cords. That's Dolly. My mom got her for me. She's actually wearing a dress that I wore when I was little. I'm going to try to get rid of some of these books. More wires. That's my, it's like a Total Gym, but it's a different brand. Weeder, I think. Every time I try to exercise, I like knock my body out of commission for weeks. And I used to lift weights, and I love lifting weights. But like I said, every time. So a story about why you see Woden come running every time the vacuum's on. When he was a baby, he was so small. He was like 6 inches long. And I didn't want him to be afraid of the vacuum, so I would hold him while I vacuumed. So then when he got bigger and I would vacuum, he'd be stuck to me because, I had always held him when he was smaller and he just didn't understand. And that was such a pain because you have to go forward and backward, and every time I backed up, I stepped on him. So I would grab a toy and throw it to get him out of my way. So now this is a constant thing. For years, every time I vacuum, I have to throw his toy for him. That's my favorite glass cleaner. I can't really tolerate the smell of Windex. And can somebody tell me how you clean a keyboard that's covered in dust? I'll show you that other room in a minute, and it's my next project. It's like it exploded between the guineas and eBay and grocery shopping. It's just ridiculously out of control. It's a disaster. Ta-da! Here we go. Oh my god. Not looking forward to it. The problem with selling on eBay is you have to keep so much stuff, so much packing material, so many boxes. And we are going to mill our very first log. It's not a very good log, but we got some boards out of it that we're going to use to rebuild my chicken coop. was only directing him because it was his first time putting a log on there, but he does it himself now. Doesn't need me. This was last weekend, the last weekend in April, and it was so cold. See, I had to go in and get my Gobi winter coat that has a heater in it because I was so cold, and I still didn't stay out very long. Like I said, this was our first log. We were so anxious to get one done that we didn't take the bark off and we didn't cut the limbs short enough. But it's just, there was so many things that got in our way of getting to this. You know, the weather was really, really awful. And then he got shingles. So I would say we were like a month behind schedule of getting to this point. I have to do some spot cleaning. Bella is a little bit incontinent. She leaks when she's laying down. I like this little machine. It blows hot air on the carpet to help dry it. I always have a problem with my carpet staying too wet for too long. This one's a throw-up stain. They like to eat grass and then throw it up. Getting some laundry done. This is folding the clothes that I sprayed the permethrin on. I think I told you about that in the last video for the ticks. I have to do a little bit of ironing. I just have to do the collars and the pocket folds on my husband's shirts because they always come out so funky. I'm spraying more clothes with permethrin. The ticks are so bad. We live in the woods, so I guess that explains it. It's always so windy. This stuff, you spray it, and then 24 hours it's totally safe to wear. And it lasts through multiple washings. Just changing the sheets. Can you hear Woden howling? That's enough, baby. Eek, holy sheets. Holy sheets, Batman. I think I just dated myself. And my sideways blanket. I don't have any blankets that fit a queen. That's it for this video, guys.